Understanding the phrase, hair color. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to delve into the phrase, hair color. By the end of this video, you will not only understand what it means but also how to use it in different contexts. Let's dive in. Hair color refers to the shade or tint of a person's hair. This can be natural, like black, brown, blonde, or red. It can also refer to artificial colors that people might use to dye their hair, like blue, green, or pink. Think of it as the color you see when you look at someone's hair. Hair color can be a significant part of someone's identity. It might express 1. Personality. Some people choose bold or unique colors to show their vibrant personalities. 2. Culture and tradition. In some cultures, hair color can have symbolic meanings. 3. Fashion and trends. Many people change their hair color based on current beauty and fashion trends. To help you understand better, let's look at a few examples. 1. Her hair color is naturally blonde, but she dyed it blue last summer. 2. I am thinking of changing my hair color to a shade of chestnut brown. 3. In certain cultures, gray hair color is seen as a sign of wisdom and experience. That's a wrap on hair color. Whether it's your natural shade or a choice to express yourself, hair color is a fascinating aspect of who we are. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the term. Keep shining and expressing yourself, and see you in the next video.